our lives, sometimes darkness surrounds us and attracts us to gloomy thoughts. Sometimes things feel too bare. Hope seems to be lost somewhere far away from our reach. In such difficult times, what gives us motivation is the power of God. He inspires us with His teachings, shows us the right path, and ray of hope starts to bloom within our hearts. Such is the power of our dear Lord. If we all lived according to the teachings of Jesus Christ, life would be much simpler. A very pleasant morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to speak on the occasion of Christmas Day. Christmas was traditionally a Christian festival celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, who Christians believe is the Son of God. But in the early 20th century, it also became a secular family holiday observed by Christians and non-Christians alike. This festival is celebrated every year across the world on 25th December to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. Each year we celebrate Jesus Christ's birthday, for it has changed the world. He is a central figure of Christianity, the world's largest religion. Most Christians believe He is the incarnation of God, the Son. He entered the world of poverty, oppression, injustice, and war. He preached good teachings and demonstrated His teachings through actions. He came to reconcile a broken world and created a kingdom of righteousness, peace, and justice. He came to earth to cooperate with His people. However, He was crucified for the sins of the people. People believe that He went back to His life after death. He was one of the most important servants of God and was the Messiah of the innocent people. And on Christmas, Santa Claus represents God on assistance. Santa Claus is the most famous practice which is displayed in many countries of the world. So this Christmas, we might just be the Santa Claus for someone who really needs help. A gift as small as a blanket or food might cheer them up more than one can imagine. No one has ever become poor from giving. We can also make old people happy just by talking to them and cheering them up. Merry Christmas to all of you.